Good morning, everyone. I'm Sumianu, and with my teammate Santali. So we are excited to present our project Beyond Baguette, developed for the application development project course at Keimoko Institute of Technology, like Robin entered the Department of Robotics and AI Engineering. Our project focused on building secure user-centric traffic review website that ensure the authenticity of the traffic context to verify user registration and login. So let me start with the problem statement. In today's digital world, traffic website and review platform are often suffer from fake or unreliable context. Many existing traffic review are written by unverified user, marketing work, or buyer sources, leading to a lack of trust among traveler. People planning struggle to find uh, credible credible information about destinations. So to address this problem, our project Beyond Began aim to create a travel platform that only allow authenticated user to post and manage review, ensuring that every review originated from real verified travelers. So here is our main objective. Our main objective is to design, develop, and deploy a secure, scalable, and reliable travel application where users can explore destinations and share experiences and interact within a trustworthy environment. The scope of our project includes several core features. The first one is user authentication and verification system, a secure registration and login process using encrypted password and JWT authentications. And the next one is location-based discovery, a homepage where user can search and explore destinations such as Django, Bagan, or Shanstay through a user-friendly interface. The next one is retro review database. Every review can categorize under session like best restaurant or travel tip, something like this. Communication interaction. User can evoke helpful review or follow travelers, creating a small social network for explorer. So now let's move on to the system design. Our application follows three-layer architecture. The first one, front end, developed with a Next.js based upon React for a smooth and responsive user interface, and backend powered by a fast API, which provide asynchronous high-performance API services for authentications, review management, and database communications. And also database, a PostgreSQL regional database stores user review categories and places securely. The front end and backend communicates through API using JSON as the data exchange format. For example, when the user submit a review, the front end send a post request to API/review on the backend, and the backend validate the data and save it into the database and return a confirmation response. This ensures data integrity and smooth interaction between all layers. So security is a vital component of our system. We implement JWT authentication for secure and stateless login session. After login, user receive a JSON web token, which is stored in the secure cookies and require for accessing protected endpoints. We use bcrypt hashing for password to ensure that even if the data is compromised, no plain text password can be recovered. We also implement cost policy to only allow requests from trust domain and HTTPS encryption to protection data during transmission. By following this practice, we ensure the system met professional security standards for a web-based platform.
Thank you, Ms. Sumiano. I'll now discuss the user interface design, system flow, testing process, and our final outcomes. The UI UX design was created to provide both aesthetic appeal and intuitive usability. We designed key pages including homepage, a welcoming interface featuring highlighted destinations and a search bar for explorations, such as recommended places, some of the places in Myanmar. And the second is login and register pages. These pages are simple but secure forms allowing users to create accounts and access their personalized reviews of their own. The third step is map view page. It is integrated with OpenStreetMap and Leaflet.js. User can interact with an interactive map and search for destination and visualize location-based reviews. The final page is review page. It displays existing review alongside map and allows users to add their own reviews with title, comments, images, and a rating for their own reviews. Now I'm gonna talk about the user flow. The user flow begins with registration and login, followed by exploration through the homepage and map. After finding a location, user can read or submit reviews, making the entire experience interactive and efficient. For quality assurance, we implemented two testing phases. The first step is integration testing. We tested how the front end and back end interact. For example, whether submitting a review updates the database correctly, or if the login API authenticates user properly. Tools such as Postman and browser dev tools were used to verify request responses and data flow between components. User acceptance testing. It is the second step of the testing, and we invited classmates to test the application without prior instruction. They were asked to complete tasks such as registration, logging in, searching for a location, and posting a review. We gather feedback through surveys, focusing on ease of navigation, clarity of design, and overall satisfaction. Based on their responses, we improve separate interface element and fixed bugs to make the application more intuitive and user-friendly. For deployment, our deployment environment use Docker Compose to containerize all components. Next.js front-end running on localhost 3000, first API backend on localhost 8000, PostgreSQL database on localhost 5432. We also used GitHub for version control and collaboration. Our project repository is publicly available at github.com. These status ensure that the projects are portable, scalable, and easy to deploy on any other future cloud platforms. After completely the 6-week development timeline, we successfully implemented all core functionality, authentications, review creation, map integration, and a review visualization. Our system demonstrates strong performance, security, and maintainability, following best practices modern web application architectures. Through this project, we not only strengthened our programming skill in React, Next.js, First API, and PostgreSQL, but also gained deeper understanding of system integration, testing, and collaborative development. Most importantly, we learned the value of creating technology that builds both trust and authenticity, especially in online communities.
In conclusion, our project Beyond Backend is more than just a travel website. It's a step toward building a community where travelers can share verified, trustworthy experiences. Thank you.
Now, thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you enjoy learning about our application development process. Thank you so much. Okay, BB, stop stop လုပ်လိုက်လို့ရှရင်တန်းစေသွားမှာထင်တယ်နော်
Mm.